What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in the Chevrolet Express van remote key fob. So this Chevy Express key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down on the bottom near the key ring down here, there's a little bit of a notch, and this key fob's pretty much brand new. If yours is pretty worn, sometimes this can be a little bit difficult to see, but it will be there. So what you want to do is take your screwdriver and put it in the notch like that, and then just carefully pry it apart. If we pull the two halves apart, in the back half we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of it and pop it out of that holder. Grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing the battery with the plus side down in the holder like that. Snap your battery down into place, and then we can put the two halves back together, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.